If you, like me, often find yourself at airports and desperately need internet, then this life hack is for you. We all know the struggle. You're at the airport, connection is spotty, or all Wi-Fi networks are locked. Ugh, frustrating, right? Well, today we're going to show you a genius solution. I'll now show you how to connect even to closed Wi-Fi networks, literally in just 1 minute. It's surprisingly simple, and you won't believe how easy it is to find those elusive passwords. First, go to Google and type in wireless password Wi-Fi airport. Easy, right? Click on the very first link that appears. Boom! It will open up an interactive map, a fantastic resource. Now this isn't just any map, it's often powered by an AI platform that aggregates and updates Wi-Fi passwords from airports worldwide. You'll see how intuitively it works. Super cool. Simply choose the airport you need on the map, and it will immediately provide you with the Wi-Fi password. Magic, it's that easy. The AI behind it ensures the data is frequently updated by a community of travelers. Awesome, right? Save this trick so you don't lose it. It will definitely come in handy on your travels. No more endlessly searching for free Wi-Fi only to find locked networks. Not anymore. If this tip helped you, please like this video, share it with your fellow travelers, and subscribe for more amazing travel hacks. Let us know in the comments which airport you'll try this at first. Can't wait to hear from you.